have our two best players of this ball game coming from the judiciary matches. We have Judge Wendell Rametere and si Joey Abot. Unahin ko na po si Judge Wendell Rametere. Talk us more about your effort going into this ball game kasi alam ko po during the past 2 days kahit bumabagyo ay nasa seminar po kayo and then being present for the judiciary for today's game.
I just came from a 2-day seminar dun sa Intramuros kanina. Then after checking out, dumiretso na ako dito. Kahit bumabagyo, seminar, then basketball.
Tell us more about your love for basketball na kahit bumabagyo, talagang pinuntahan nyo itong larong ito to be present. How important is this game for you?
Personally, ang outlook ko work hard, then I think play harder.
Ayun naman pala. Maraming salamat. Judge, babalikan po kita para sa inyong mga greetings. Dito naman tayo kay Joey Abot. First of all, kakamustahin ko po muna ang inyong misis. How is she doing right now?
Medyo maganda naman yung recovery niya. Nasa house namin sa Calamba. Narunog.
Okay. Pag-usapan naman po natin ito. It's a crucial game for you on your last game here against the OP team on this round para may chance din kayo na makapasok dun sa ating Final Four. What can we expect from the judiciary matches on your last game against the OP?
Siguro kasi do or die yun. Ibibigay na namin lahat ng lakas namin para lang manalo sa game namin at makapasok.
Sir Joey, sino po ang mga gusto niyong batiin at pasalamatan sa larong ito?
Siyempre yung wife ko nanonood sa Calamba. Si Boss Justice Maidas, Justice Alameda, Justice Rosario, Justice Ramos, yung mga manager namin, Manager Ray, tsaka sa Aldea Bowlers.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. We now go back to Judge Wendell Rametere para po sa inyong mga greetings and shoutouts out there.
Salamat kay Justice Maidas, kay Court Adraul, kay Justice Ramos for sponsoring our drinks and water. Sa aking mag-ina, sa aking kapatid dyan sa QCGH sa Surgery Department, si Dr. Maureen. And sa aking teammates at coaches, salamat sa tiwala. And good luck sa aking team dyan sa La Union for tomorrow's game again.
Okay, and of course, speaking of that, good luck din sa susunod yung laban against the OPD. Maraming salamat. Congratulations once again, Judge Wendell Rametere and of course, Joey Abot of the Judiciary Matches.